understand Kannada, right?
Yes.
ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು none other than the singer Jaskaran Singh.
ಜೇನದನಿಯೋಳೆ ಮೀನ ಕಣ್ಣೋಳೆ ಸೊಬಗೆ ಮೈ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. I'm not able to come out of that movie. ಎದೆಗೆ ಇಳಿದೋಳೆ ಜೀವ ಛಲಿ ಎಂದಿದೆ. I'm a singer of Dwapara, but I have never danced like them. So it's my dream if I can do 2-3 steps like him. ನಾನು ಹುಡುಕೆದ್ದ ನನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ನೀನೆ ಎನ್ನೇನಿದೆ.
So Chitara Star Awards 2025 ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು none other than the singer Jaskaran Singh. Welcome to Chitara Star Awards 2025.
Thank you so much.
I think it's your first experience, right?
Yes. Yeah.
So how is your feeling now?
I'm feeling very awesome. The feeling is very great.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited for this.
Uh-huh.
So let's see how it goes. Looking forward.
Yes, and you got nominations. Tell about that. How excited you are? You?
I'm really very excited. I'm a bit nervous as well. So Dwapara, the
Yes.
song which changed my whole life. So it's a very great feeling.
ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ದ್ವಾಪರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಜಸ್ಕರಣ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಕರಣ್ ಅವರು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈಗ ದ್ವಾಪರ ಸಾಂಗ್ನ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
All right.
Yeah.
ಜೇನದನಿಯೋಳೆ ಮೀನ ಕಣ್ಣೋಳೆ ಸೊಬಗೆ ಮೈ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ಹಂಸ ನಡೆಯೋಳೆ ಎದೆಗೆ ಇಳಿದೋಳೆ ಜೀವ ಝಲಿ ಎಂದಿದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ದಾರಿನು ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗಿನ್ನು ನೀನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಹುಡುಕೆದ್ದ ನನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ನೀನೆ ಎನ್ನೇನಿದೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಸಮ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈ ಹಾಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ brings a lot of happiness, lot of awards to you, lot of recognition. I think everything comes, right?
Yeah.
All
Thank
the
you so
best
much.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
Thank you.
So the thing is, see, we have a game here, the rapid questions. So you have to steal something from this handsome hunks of Sandalwood. Okay?
Okay.
You know Yash, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you want to steal from Yash, if you wanted to steal?
His stage presence and his camera presence,
Oh, very nice.
screen presence.
Okay, of course, Ganesh sir.
His dance moves.
Very nice.
I'm very bad at dancing, but I want to dance like him because after I'm a singer of Dwapara, but I have never danced like them. So it's my dream if I can do 2-3 steps like him.
Superb. Okay, Allu Arjun sir.
But we can say his style.
Obviously,
Very fond
right?
of his style.
Yeah, Rakshit Shetty, you know, right?
Yes.
Yes, Rakshit Shetty.
Mm,
I think his simplicity.
yes, his simplicity. Because I recently watched Sapta Sagra and
Uh-huh.
it's been a week. I'm not able to come out of that movie because
Yes.
I watched all the 2 parts together itself.
Very nice. Shivraj Kumar.
His humbleness,
Oh, cute. Darshan sir.
his swag,
Oh, awesome.
his style and
His
attitude.
fans.
Exactly. No, I can't steal
Yeah.
his fans, but
Of course, that won't get empty if you steal.
exactly.
Upendra sir.
Upendra sir, I've watched his movie long back.
Okay.
I'm very very big fan of him and
Okay.
unka style, I'll
Obviously.
say.
Okay, thank you so much, Jaskaran sir.
Thank
But
you.
still, you are here. So, ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll tell you. Please
Okay.
repeat that. Okay?
Sure.
Yes. So, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್
ಚಿತ್ತಾರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್
2025ಗೆ
2025ಗೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಿಮ್ಮ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಎಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಪಡಿ.
ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ತಾರಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ತಾರಾಗ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ
Thank you.
ಮಚ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ಕರನ್.